Hey guys, welcome back. Just a quick video. We've got this Ironman Triathlon watch. It's more modern, I would say. This one's from 2015, 2016, somewhere around there. We're just going to set the time on it. We're going to see if we can figure out how to set the time on it. I didn't look anything up. Let's just get into it. I think with most of these, you hold one of these buttons in, and it'll say hold to set. I think so. Let's try the upper left first. This store set recall. There we go. Hold to set. And time 1. Now, I think we're going to do, that's our main time we're going to see. And you can see these light up here. It says next, done, minus, plus. Okay, so I think I got this figured out. So let's go next. We'll go time 1. And let's go plus. Now let's go minus, because what are we, about 10:25. So let's go back to 10. And we're going to say next. Oops, that did not go. There we go. And then we're going to say 20, let's call it 26. So let's see. Let's go forward plus. It's just so we can see the difference. And let's go ahead and go up to 27. And then we'll click next. And then we'll leave the seconds. And then Monday, let's do the plus. Let's say it's Friday. Go next. And then let's choose a date. Let's choose March. And we'll choose the 4th. Oh no, I went past it. So now I can go to my minus and go back. Look, that easy. So then I do next, and I already see where I screwed something up. So let's do next. 12 hour, we're going to leave it at 12 hour. And the date format, we're going to leave it at month and day. Chime off, yes. Beep off, yes. Set time 1. Now we should be able to click done, and we are done. So now what I did is I messed up. It's actually AM, not PM. So let's just go in and do something again. So let's hold in the set recall, hold to set, and we're going to set time 1. We're going to do next. We're going to change the hour. I think that's how we're going to fix that. So let's do a plus. And we'll get back to AM and just cycle through until we get AM. Then we'll do next, 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 next. 12 hour, yes. Yes, month, day. Chime off, yes. Beep off, yes. And click done. There we go. Now we're set back to AM. So really pretty easy, simple thing to do. Just a quick video on how we figure out how to set time on these digital watches like this. But check out the other videos, tons of these videos, and we'll see you next time.